Your Valley Storm Team forecast.
All right, so I know many of you are actually expecting those sweater weather temperatures. However, temperatures will remain mostly on those 90 degrees. Tomorrow, we're going to see temperatures across the valley basically reaching the 90s again. 92 for the city of McAllen, 95 actually, I should say, for McAllen, 92 for Weslaco. So it's going to be very, very warm again, mostly on those 90s. The average high, though, should be 88. But then let's take a look at the tropics, because we do have tropical storm Melissa out there. It's not going to be a threat to us here in Texas, but it will actually become a major hurricane by the weekend. Actually, it's expected to become a Cat 4. It is not going to be a threat for us here in the Gulf or Mexico, but if you have plans on traveling to those regions over the next several days, you need to pay attention to that forecast. Returning home, looking at satellite radar, you can see there that the high pressure system basically moved to east, and this allows for some moisture to come into the valley from the Gulf, and also it will allow a cold front to move further south to our area. It's going to get a little closer, but not too close to actually make some changes or drastic changes to our weather conditions. And you can see it there slowly sliding down to our region, but it's going to stall mostly to the north, and that active weather pattern will remain north of our area. However, we might actually see a few showers popping up here in the Rio Grande Valley. That being said, the next 7 days, this is a 7-day forecast, we do have a slight chance of rain tomorrow, Thursday, with only a 10%, but it will increase to a little bit, about 20% on Saturday. Sunday will be a little bit of the 10% as well. But in terms of impacts to those temperatures, it's not going to be anything major or drastic. Take a look at those values, 92 for Thursday and Friday. And over the weekend, even though we might actually expect a little rain, we're going to see those temperatures mostly in those 93 degrees. And it's not going to be until next week when we can actually start seeing those temperatures lowering down a little bit to 79 by next Wednesday. So we still have a few more days of hot weather, and it'll be cooler in the evenings. Take a look at those low temperatures, mostly in the lows and mid 70 degrees. And that is a look at your 7-day forecast.